Hey fam, and welcome to Are You on Evo Entertainment. Right now I am in Helsinki. This is the Senate Square, and behind me is the Helsinki Cathedral. I find Helsinki, Finland to be very beautiful, and the architecture is amazing too, but it's extremely cold. Like, so freezing cold that my bones are cracking and my muscles are freezing. But guys, today we're going to be talking about a great country in Africa, Somalia. I personally have a soft spot for Somali people because I find them very warm-hearted and friendly. But today we'll be talking about Somali girls, which I also find to be beautiful and fashionable. But that's just my opinion. Today we'll be asking people from a totally different race what they think about Somali girls. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, like this video and share it with all your friends, and don't forget to order your AE danshikis to look so chic. Guys, let's hear what they have to say. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good too. Where are you from?
Finland.
I'm from Russia.
From
Canada.
Okay.
From Turkey.
Turkey. I'm Brazilian.
Russia.
I'm from Portugal.
I'm from Belarus.
I'm from Finland and half Turkish. We're from Russian.
So I'll be showing you 4 different pictures and you'll be telling me what you think about them.
Sure.
So these are the pictures. 2,
Okay.
3.
Yes. Good.
Now all these pictures have one thing in common. They're from the same country. Can you guess what country they're from?
What's
Country these girls are from.
maybe you are?
You are? Where is that?
It is South Africa. South Africa.
Africa.
Well, they may be from here, from Finland, I don't know.
Okay.
But regarding the background of the photos, I guess they may be from some other country.
No, maybe it's Africa. It's Egypt and India, maybe.
Indian.
I cannot guess.
Egypt, maybe?
You? No.
No idea.
No.
They're all from the same country.
Yes.
Guess the nationality. I'm tainted because I just came back from Morocco, but I don't think it's from Morocco.
Okay.
I don't know. Guess? Malawi? I don't know.
Malawi?
I don't know.
Okay.
That's horrible.
Maybe Somalia.
You're actually correct. Why do you think so?
I don't know. They just look like.
Maybe from India or Bangladesh or some other Asian country.
Can I see it again? Congo?
Any other guess?
Geography's missing up. But I guess it was any country from there. I mean, they have African trace, so I would guess some country over there. Maybe not Algeria. I keep with Congo. I don't know if another one.
Somewhere from Africa.
Any specific place in mind?
I'm not sure. The only place I know, it's maybe you are South African Republic.
Senegal.
So what other observations can you make? What other inferences can you make from these pictures?
They are model.
Okay. All of them?
Yeah.
Okay. What else?
They like to be in front of the camera.
I mean, they don't look like from the same company, same place, same religion also. I don't know.
Yeah, it seems that they have a variety of religion over there because, some of them are covered up and some of them are not. And it seems like the overall landscape is somehow not bad. That's why I thought maybe it might be related with Egypt, but I don't know 100% sure.
Well dressed, makeup. So
I need to look at them again, just very quickly. Sorry. All of them are beautiful, amazing eyes, warm smiles, very natural as well, which is a plus as well. They're not made up, which is just, natural beauty is always the best.
Nice women. What more like more observations? Dressed.
Fashionable?
Fashionable, maybe no. Maybe something like local or like modern local.
I think second pictures.
This one?
Yes.
What do you think about it?
It's a very nice girl. She's have a very pretty smile and beautiful eyes.
They come from Africa, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. They have all beautiful smiles,
Okay.
and they have brightness in their eyes, and their eyes don't tell lies twice.
Okay.
I found the same nice lady on each of them.
That's pretty beautiful girls, and nice photo.
The observations.
Yeah.
They are four beautiful women.
Okay.
I don't know what else can I say.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, can you rate these pictures?
The pictures are the girls.
The girls.
Okay. I'll give her a 6, an 8, 6, and a 6 too.
1 to 10, 7. 7. 6. 4.
10, 10, 10, 10.
Oh wow. Thank you so
7. 6. 6. 4.
Sure. Rate. Wow. Yeah, I would say definitely an 8 for me, anyways. Definitely a 8.5, 9 for sure. Yes, 8.5, 9, 7. No, 8's 8's good. And she's not. I'm trying to look at the hairstyle. It's not my favorite hairstyle. So I would say, but I'm Canadian. We're too nice. I would say she's a 7 for me. For me.
Yeah, I heard Canadians are super nice. And you guys say sorry like all the time.
All the time. But, you know, you're making me compare across 4 different, and each one is unique on their own.
Yeah.
So it's tough when you do that. So.
Okay. But thank you so much for your observation.
We are rating for what?
Rating the girls.
Girls? I'm married.
Okay. No, I don't think your wife will be offended.
Okay, let's say 6. Okay, 5. 5 again. 4.
Okay.
Yeah, I have the same rating for that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
8, 7, 7.5, 9.
9, okay.
I think 6 points.
6 points?
Yes.
This one?
Is 8 points.
Oh, wow.
Is a very perfect face and lovely smile. I think 9 points.
Oh, okay.
And 6.
7, 9, 6, and 6.
I would say 7. Still 7. 5. 3.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you very much. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Welcome back, friends. We hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, what do you think about their reactions? And do you think Somali girls should be considered the most beautiful girls in Africa? I know some of you guys are going to slaughter me for this, but let us hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. Share it with all your friends and order your AE danshikis today by contacting us on Instagram at Ayo and Ebo, on Facebook at Ayo and Ebo Entertainment, or our email. Guys, that's what we have for you this week. Have a great week, friends, and peace out.